Namaste, I am Seshagiri Rao, 82 years old. In 2011, I had a brain stroke which resulted in partial paralysis of my left side. I got admitted in the hospital. After getting treatment and then getting discharged from the hospital, I went through physiotherapy for about a month at home. But even though I regained a partial use of my limbs, I used to get very tired, lost weight, and then even 5 minutes walk used to tire me a lot. To regain my balance and then strength, I joined yoga classes conducted by Prema Nagesh, who later founded Dhyaniti Yoga. Now I am going to demonstrate a few of the easiest asanas that I started with, which helped me a lot in regaining my balance and strength and confidence. First, Griya Sanchalana, neck movement. Breathe in, take your neck to the left side, hold it while breathing out, hold it there. Again breathe in here, while breathing out, shift your neck to the right side. Okay, repeat this for about 5 to 10 times. Then second, breathe in, while breathing out, lift your chin up, bring your face parallel to the ceiling and then hold it there. Again breathe in, while breathing out, bring your head back again. Repeat it for about 5 to 10 times. Then throw your head back, rotate your neck and bring your left ear closer to your left shoulder and then hold your breath. Again breathe in, while breathing out, shift your head and then rotate your neck, bring your right ear over the right shoulder and repeat this another 5 to 10 times. These three asanas will strengthen the neck portions, and then next for the wrist. Make a wrist like this, rotate the wrist clockwise 10 times, and while the breathing pattern is on facing up while breathing in, facing down while breathing out. Rotate 10 times and then anti-clockwise again 10 times. The same breathing pattern. And repeat it with the right hand as well. The third is Surya Namaskar while sitting on the chair. One, two, three, 4 left, 5 right, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Down. And second. 1, 2, 3, 4 right, 5, 6, 7 right, 8 left, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is Surya Namaskar by sitting. And this you repeat at least for 12 sets or 6 sets, left and right alternate. Then it's called Simha Mudra. This is to strengthen your facial muscles. Sit straight, slightly bend, chest forward, take a deep breath and then bring your tongue out completely and then widen your eyes, look at the 45 degrees angle. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds and that you can repeat it 3 to 4 times. Now I am going to do Parvatasana. Legs together. Raise your hands up above your head, interlock your fingers, rotate the wrist, palm facing the ceiling, take a deep breath, go up on your toes. And now keep breathing normally here, hold that position for about 10 to 15 seconds and every acceleration you try to lift further up and hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds and come down. And this you can repeat 3 to 4 times. So now by doing all these simplest of asanas, starting with simple asanas. Today I am able to do many more asanas like Sirasasana, Sarvangasana, Balasana, Shashankasana, Ardha Matsyendra, all such asanas I am easily able to do it, which has given me a lot of physical strength, balance, and then even peace. With, along with this, I used to practice pranayama. I used to practice pranayama for about 30 to 40 minutes every day, which gives me a peace of mind. With all these things, I am reasonably healthy today and active, and so I feel that this has helped me a great in my life. Thank you.